All right, if you have a Dell computer and have installed the recent Windows 11 update, KB5121767, you may have noticed slowdowns, certain features failing to load, unexpected shutdowns, overheating, or general performance issues. Microsoft has just released an out-of-cycle emergency update specifically designed to resolve this issue. The update, a standard Windows 11 update for 24H2 and 25H2 builds, caused an incompatibility on certain Dell devices that use Intel Innovation Platform Framework (IPF) drivers. This conflict between the Windows update and the Intel IPF component resulted in unexpected shutdowns, PCs powering off without warning during use, overheating, thermal management disrupted by the driver conflict, and general performance degradation, system instability affecting everyday use. Microsoft identified the issue and temporarily withheld KB5121750 from affected Dell devices while working on a fix. That fix is KB5121767, an out-of-band update, meaning it's released outside the normal monthly patch cycle because the issue warranted urgent attention. Not all Dell computers experience this issue. I have 4 Dell computers at home, but only this one was affected by this update. The easiest way to obtain the update is through Windows Update's Optional Updates section. Click Start, then Settings, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates to ensure your update list is current. Once complete, scroll down and click Advanced Options. Inside, look for Optional Updates. If your Dell is affected and the update is available for your system, KB5121767 will appear here as an optional update ready to download and install. Click Download and Install. If the update isn't appearing in your Windows Update's optional updates, you can download it manually from the Microsoft Update catalog. You'll find the link in the description of this video. Just click on it and then, next to the note, click on the link that takes you to the Microsoft Update catalog for the relevant update. You'll see multiple versions listed. Choose carefully. For Windows 11 24H2 x64, the 64-bit version for Intel or AMD processors, for Windows 11 25H2 x64, if you're on the newer 25H2 build, do not download the ARM64 versions unless you have an ARM-based Dell device. Most standard Dell laptops and desktops use x64 processors. To confirm your Windows version, go to Settings, System, and About, and check the version field under Windows Specifications. Download the correct .msu file, run it as administrator, and follow the installation prompts. I've already installed it. I'm just going to restart my computer. After installing KB5121767 and restarting, the Intel IPF driver incompatibility is resolved. Your Dell should return to stable operation, no unexpected shutdowns, normal thermal management, and standard performance. Links to the Microsoft KB article and catalog download are in the description. Drop a comment if you're one of the affected Dell users and whether this resolved your issues. A like and subscribe helps the channel. Thanks for watching.